everyone. I'm here at Miyakojima, staying at the cottages here in Irabu side, Sawada. And I'm gonna sing you guys a song with my ukulele called My Yellow Ginger. The song goes like this. My yellow ginger lady reveals her scent through the day. Enchanting moments with you makes me love you. Kule, kule, awa puri mele mele. Ipuya meke ala ona ona. Oh hi kama nao ya oe. E kule awa puri. You're in love, my yellow ginger lady. My heart is yearning for you, my awamuri. Haina, haina, ia mai, anakapuana. My yellow ginger lady makes me love you. Ay na tao. Haina ia mai anakapuana. My yellow ginger lady makes me love you. Makes me love you. Aloha. Thank you very much. The beautiful pool. Yes. My ukulele over here. And this is a heated pool. Okay. And let me show you the cottages here. This is a place you can take a hirone to relax in the afternoon, take a nap here. This is the room here, bathroom, take a shower, wash your clothes. These are the bedrooms here to sleep. Very nice. Okay, we have the bathrooms here. It opens. Another bathroom here. Take a shower over there. Nice. Very nice. All right. Anyways, everyone, aloha from Miyakojima, Japan. Thank you very much. Aloha. Very nice place to stay. Okay? And the name of this place here is called, this is the kitchen. Okay? It's called Felicvilla Suites, Irabujima, Sawada. Please stay here. Tamani kita kudasai. Everyone, aloha.